Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are good. Yes, I'm doing all the assignments and your revision work on time. Okay, now we are going to do the revision of chapter number 3, Fiber to Fabric. Okay, in this chapter we have learned about the animal fibers. For example, wool and silk. Right? We know that the wool we can obtain the wool from the sheep, camel, yak, goat, llama. Okay, and there is another process of the selecting the good quality of wool. Okay, for that we are selecting some special and good quality of sheep. Okay, that is called selective breeding. After selecting that, we are giving them food and shelter, even healthcare. That is known as rearing. Yes, and we are selecting the some sheep of a good quality of hair, that is called breeding. Okay, now the next we have learned about how wool can obtain from the sheep. Okay, there are total 6 steps are there. The first one is shearing, second souring, third sorting, fourth one dyeing, then combing, and last one is a spinning. Okay, by this process, by passing that wool fiber, okay, that hair we had obtained from the sheep, okay, by this process, and finally we get the wool. Okay, the next topic was a silk. Okay, what is silk? Silk is a tiny, shiny and soft fiber which can obtain from the animal. Okay, that is called silk. Okay, and the farming of that silk is known as sericulture. Okay, so first of all we had learned about how that silk moth and what is the life history of that silk. First of all, that adult silk moth will lay eggs, then that will be hatched and the larva will come out, then it will turn to the pupa and they will form a cocoon. Okay, that white color that from we can obtain the silk, that part is known as cocoon. And after some time from the cocoon, the adult silk moth will be come out. Okay, so this was the life history of that silk. Clear? And the next step was how we can obtain that silk fiber. So production of silk. Okay, so what are the steps? Yes, first the rearing. Okay, in that the adult silk moth which lays eggs, okay, that the farmer will collect. Okay, after that they will take care of that egg. They are providing proper atmosphere, especially temperature, humidity and complete hygiene. So after some time that eggs will be hatched and the larva will come out. Then we are providing what? Food. Okay, that mulberry leaves. So after eating that leaves, that silk moth will be get bigger. Okay, and then they will start they will convert into pupa, and after that they will start covering their whole body, okay, with that silk fiber. Okay, that is known as cocoon. Okay, so from that cocoon we can obtain the silk. In the next step we will collect that cocoon. Okay, and after that we will process in a hot water. So when we dip that hot cocoon in a hot water, it will be unwind and we can obtain that silk fiber. Okay, and after getting that silk fiber we will do spinning. So after spinning we can get a strong silk fiber which can make a cloth. Okay, so this was the silk. And the next, mulberry silk, tassar silk, kosa, moga, eri, these are the varieties of silk. Okay, so there are 2 types of silk. First is natural silk and artificial silk. The natural silk we had learned how we can obtain from that silk moth and what process has to be done. Okay, and the next is artificial silk. That artificial silk is obtained from that wood pulp, and from the after getting that wood pulp we have to do some process on that, and after that processing we can obtain the silk. Okay, so this was the our chapter number